Hi students, in this video we shall discuss about the structure of human heart. The human heart pumps around 5.7 liters of blood in a day throughout the body. The heart is situated at the center of the chest and points slightly towards the left. The average male heart weighs around 280 to 340 grams, and in females it weighs around 230 to 280 grams. An adult heart beats about 60 to 100 times per minute, and a newborn baby's heart beats at a faster pace than an adult, which is about 90 to 190 beats per minute. The human heart is one of the most important organs responsible for sustaining life. It is a muscular organ with four chambers. The size of the heart is the size of one's own fist. The human heart functions throughout the person's lifespan and is one of the most hardest working muscle in the body. The human heart is located between the lungs in the thoracic cavity, slightly towards the left of the sternum, that is the breastbone. It is derived from the embryonic mesodermal germ layer. The function of the heart in any organism is to maintain a constant flow of blood throughout the body. This replenishes oxygen and circulates nutrients among the cells and the tissues. So the function of the heart is to pump blood throughout the body. Blood delivers oxygen, hormones, glucose and other components to various parts of the body. The heart also ensures that adequate blood pressure is maintained in the body. There are two types of circulations within the body, children, that is pulmonary circulation and systemic circulation. Pulmonary circulation is responsible for carrying deoxygenated blood away from the heart to the lungs and then brings oxygenated blood back to the heart. And in systemic circulation, the oxygenated blood is pumped from the heart to every organ and tissue in the body, and deoxygenated blood comes back again to the heart. Heart itself is a muscle and therefore it needs a constant supply of oxygenated blood. That's why there is another type of circulation called coronary circulation. So in coronary circulation, the oxygenated blood is supplied to the heart. This is important as the heart is responsible for supplying blood throughout the body. The heart has three layers, children: pericardium, endocardium and myocardium. So pericardium is the protective membrane around the heart by a fibroserous sac. The function of this pericardium is to protect and lubricate the heart and also protect the heart from mechanical shocks and injuries. And myocardium is the middle thickest layer of the heart, which contains the muscle fibers which are responsible for pumping the blood through the blood vessels. And then we have endocardium, which is the innermost or the deepest part of the heart, lines the heart chambers and the valves, and cardiac conduction system is located in this layer and helps in reducing the friction of the blood flowing through the chambers. Then the heart includes the following key components, children, that is chambers. Heart has four chambers, children: two atria and two ventricles. The smaller chambers near the top of the heart that collect blood from the body and lungs are called atrium, and the ventricles are the large chambers near the bottom of the heart that pump blood to body and lungs. And then heart valves are there, children. Atrioventricular valves are present between atria and ventricles. Bicuspid valve on left side and tricuspid valve on the right side. And semilunar valves are present between ventricles and arteries. Aortic valve on the left side and pulmonary valve on right side. Then we have blood vessels, children: superior and inferior vena cava, which feeds into the right atrium and returns deoxygenated blood from the body. Pulmonary artery connects to the right ventricle and sends deoxygenated blood to the lungs. Pulmonary vein feeds into the left atrium and returns oxygenated blood from the lungs. Aorta, which is the largest of the heart, extends from the left ventricle and sends oxygenated blood around the body. Clear, children? I hope you have understood the structure of human heart. See you in the next video. Thank you.